customer buys a digital product, gets access, and that's where the journey ends. If that's how your business currently works, you're leaving a massive opportunity on the table. In this video, I'll show you how to turn any digital product into a complete automated sales funnel using FluentCart and FluentCRM. We'll connect product sales, buyer segmentation, and email automation into one simple WordPress sales funnel. And the best part? You can build the entire system for a fraction of what most businesses are paying for separate funnel builders and email marketing tools. So let's start with the foundation of the whole funnel, the product itself. And you really don't need to overthink this. The goal here is pretty simple. You need one clear product that solves one specific problem. A subscription product, a mini course, a downloadable file, or even a template pack will work. And FluentCart makes selling these products directly from WordPress really simple. I've already set up a digital license product here. If you need a full deep dive on how to create one, check out the video I've linked in the description. As you can see, the product name, pricing, plan options, and every detail are on point. And the dedicated licensing settings keep all the data in place. So when a customer completes the purchase, they get the right access and the right material automatically. But remember, a product page alone is not a funnel. The secret sauce that actually kicks off our funnel is integration. Click on Add Integration and you'll see all your options. I'm going with FluentCRM. First, give your feed a simple name so it's easy to identify later. Next, choose the list where you want to add customer data whenever someone purchases this product. Tags are also helpful for segmentation. So I'll add a tag that matches this customer journey. For example, basic plan customer. I'm skipping the removal settings for this demo because we're building this from scratch. I also highly recommend using the notes field for your internal team. If you click the shortcode icon, you can make these notes dynamic so they automatically pull in specific customer details. Then, you've got double opt-in. If you want customers to confirm before being added to your list, you can keep it on. You can even ensure the contact is removed if they get refunded or the subscription validity expires. Now, this setting is critical. You need to define what action actually starts the automation. For most products, order completed or paid is the ideal trigger because it only activates after a successful purchase. It makes sure you're only pulling in customers who've genuinely completed a purchase. And if your product has multiple variations or pricing plans, you can trigger different automations for each one. Give everything a final look. One more click, and the feed is active. Now, every time someone purchases the basic plan, FluentCart automatically syncs the customer data with FluentCRM. And now, we can build the actual automated funnel. Open FluentCRM and go to Automation. When you click New Automation, the first question FluentCRM asks is, what's going to start this journey? Since we've already set up our feed, we've got two solid options, List Applied or Tag Applied. I'm going with Tag Applied because it gives us more control over who enters this funnel. Now, let's name this automation Product Sales Funnel. Select the tag we added earlier and save the settings. The next step inside the funnel is warming people up, and the easiest way to start is with a simple thank you email. So I'll add a custom email and fill it with the right message for this customer. Here's the mindset shift that separates good funnels from great ones. Your customer just purchased. They're not in buying mode anymore. They're in using mode. So instead of blasting their inbox with another offer, help them get value from what they already bought. This is why I'll bring in a sequence email and choose a sequence. I build a sequence specifically to educate customers on how to get the most out of the product they just purchased. It includes onboarding tips, product usage guidance, helpful resources, and quick wins. That's what builds trust that makes the next sale easier. So at this point in the funnel, the customer has been educated. They've gotten value. And they probably like you a little more than they did on day one. But still, we won't do it blindly. Just to make sure they're connected throughout, Let's add a condition. This is going to check whether the customer actually opened your emails before deciding what to send next. 2 roads here. Road 1, they opened your emails. That's a signal they're engaged. They like what you're doing. So you follow up personally. Ask them how it's going, what they think. Road 2, they haven't opened anything. That's okay. We've come back from a different direction that keeps the relationship alive. Then we check one more time. Did they share feedback? If they shared it, that's your green signal. This is exactly the right moment for your upgrade offer. Not a generic promo, your best one. Make it feel exclusive and make it actually worth it. And for the rest of the users, we can plan a different path. That's the beauty of Fluent CRM. You're not just sending the same message to everyone. You're shaping the customer journey based on what each person actually does. Now, let's make this automation live. A customer finds your product, compares the options, and chooses to buy the basic plan. They move to checkout and complete the purchase. Exactly at that moment, the feed triggers and syncs the data between FluentCart and FluentCRM. And based on our setup, the automation starts automatically. The best part? You can clearly see how the funnel is performing with detailed automation reporting. If you want to know how each email in the automation is performing, you can check that as well. It may sound simple, but this is incredibly helpful because when customers drop off, you can see where it happens and improve that step. That's how you stop guessing and start optimizing. All right, let's take a step back and look at what we actually built here. We didn't just upload a digital product into FluentCart. We built a complete automated sales system inside WordPress. We sold the product through FluentCart, pulled the customer into FluentCRM, used tags to keep everything organized, and automated the customer journey based on their actions. So if you want to sell digital products online from WordPress, don't stop at a single product page. Build the funnel. Use FluentCart to sell and deliver the product. Use Fluent CRM to nurture leads, segment customers, and automate follow-ups. And if you want to try FluentCart and FluentCRM, you'll find both links in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you understand how to build a WordPress sales funnel, hit like and subscribe for more practical e-commerce automation tutorials. Your next sale shouldn't depend on you being online. Build systems that keep working even when you're not. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!